everyone, welcome back to our holiday series.
Casseroles are a must for holiday meals.
So today we're going to show you how we plan to still enjoy broccoli casserole, but in smaller portions. So for this dish, you're going to need small Pyrex baking dishes because this is going to make it much easier for you to store your leftovers for later. All right, let's get started. Preheat oven to 350. If you're using frozen broccoli like I did, you're going to steam for half the time given on the package directions, then drain. In a large bowl, combine the remaining ingredients except for the crackers and butter. Then grease your small casserole dishes with non-stick spray. Transfer to your small baking dishes. Bake for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, combine your Cheez-It crackers and melted butter in a small bowl, then remove the casserole from the oven and sprinkle your Cheez-Its topping evenly over the top. Return to the oven and bake for an additional 10 minutes. Then enjoy!